I just recently purchased from Karl. My daughter found it on the internet on his website. I was in Arizona, and I called Karl, and he told me what the pickup was and how much he wanted for it, and I bought it sight unseen. I like the old pickup trucks, and I've been looking for an old vehicle, and this fits the bill. And Karl told me what it was, and it seemed like exactly what I was looking for. It's a 68 long box. It's got a 350 crate engine that came from Karl's, an automatic transmission. Pickups are pretty hot right now. Everybody is liking them. The new ones are nice. They're like a car. This one runs and drives as good as the new one, I think, or not, pretty close. You can take it to California. It's done right, and it drives and rides right, and it's very comfortable, very dependable. I've always been a Chevrolet person. I like the engines. Chevy V8's pretty hard to beat. Pretty dependable, economical. And I like the style of Chevy. I've owned quite a few, older ones, I had a 66 that I drove for years, played with it. I had a 54 that I bought pretty much completed, and actually I bought it from Karl's son, and had Karl do a lot of the work to it. Just a cruiser, and take to the car shows, bring up here to the hot summer nights, and just play with it. Keep it clean and waxed. No, I've bought vehicles from Karl for a long time. It's hard to beat the price, for one thing, and he's pretty honest. If he tells you something, that's the way it is. I mean, I bought this without seeing it. He told me what it was. And it was exactly what he said. My name is Jerry Cahoon. This is my Chevrolet 68 C10 pickup.